In this video, we're going to jump on the iPhone and take you through step by step on how you can upload a video from your iPhone to YouTube.
YouTube Simplified.
Hi, and welcome to Creator Fundamentals. My name is Dan Courier, and it is my mission to simplify YouTube so you and I can grow together. And if you want to continue to receive notifications that can help you simplify YouTube, make sure you click that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you don't miss a thing. We're not going to waste any time in this video. Let's jump on the iPhone to show you step by step how you go about taking those videos you've made and upload them to YouTube.
All right, so first thing you want to do is download two apps. The first app, of course, is called YouTube. Do a search for YouTube in the App Store. You should see it at the top of the list. Go ahead and download that. Once that's downloaded, you also want to search for YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio provides you kind of the back end to YouTube in a separate app. That should be at the top of the list as well. Go ahead and download YouTube Studio. Once you have YouTube Studio and YouTube downloaded, then we want to go in and open the YouTube app. That is where you are going to upload videos to YouTube. So go ahead and click on the icon for that app. It's going to bring you to your channel. Make sure you're logged into Gmail and YouTube, and then you're going to click that camera button at the top and then click on video, which is going to be the left-hand option. All right, so now we're going to select the video to upload to YouTube. Find the video that you have made, and if you do want to trim it, hopefully by now you've already edited the video, but you're going to select the video and hit next when you're ready to upload to YouTube. So we have a couple different elements here we want to fill in. Most important is the privacy setting, or how the video is going to be uploaded. I prefer to upload everything as unlisted. That way you can make sure everything is accurate and ready to go and saved on YouTube before you actually make it public. So once you've set that to unlisted, you come up with your title. I have some videos about how to create a proper title through keyword research. Definitely check those out. Also want to create a detailed description that identifies exactly what's in the video, and if you can reuse that keyword phrase that you're using in your title and other related keyword phrases in that description, it will certainly help to explain to YouTube exactly what your video is all about. So we want to get all that information entered, and once we have entered that information, we're going to check things over, make sure everything looks good, and then we're going to hit the upload button. All right, so everything looks good here. We have it listed or unlisted. We have a description and a title, and then we're going to go ahead and click upload. Now, this is a really small video clip as a test, so it goes lightning fast, but typically if you have a longer video, we'll sit there uploading and give you a percentage. In this case, it just kind of blips and disappears. When that happens, if you drag down on your list of videos, it will refresh this list and show you that your video has in fact been uploaded to YouTube. So once this part is complete, we have successfully gotten the file to YouTube. This is where the YouTube Studio app comes in, and we are actually going to move away from the YouTube app and open up YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is kind of the back end of your YouTube channel. It's where you can find all kinds of information, including stats about how your videos are doing, but also the ability to edit videos that are up on YouTube. So we click on videos there in the list. After clicking on the three lines in the upper left-hand corner, we can see our video at the top there. Click on it. It brings us to this screen, and to make changes, we click on the pencil at the top of the screen to get into the details. We can already see that we did our title and description here, but we're going to have a few other elements that we can actually add information to. Tags, this is where you add supporting keyword phrases, and again, check out videos on the site for how to do keyword research to fill these in, but you're going to fill those out on this page as well. And if I could actually type correctly, this wouldn't be so painful, but apparently that @ symbol, no matter how hard I try, likes to make its way into these tags. So in this case, we're going to hit return after we've typed in a keyword phrase, and that's going to select it as an individual phrases. Just a tip on those, don't take out the spaces, leave those in there. After that, we want to hop into the playlist screen and select any playlist that we want to add this to. You click on the dollar tab at the top and you can turn on monetization if your channel is monetized. I always leave all the different ad types on. We want to give it every opportunity to make some money for the channel. And then we have some additional features here in the gear, the category you want to set. There's a variety of different options available. I do all mine as education because we're trying to help people simplify YouTube. And then there are a few other things in here. The license, always use standard YouTube license unless you want to give people the right to share your stuff. Also, make sure that the video is marked not for kids or made for kids, depending on your content. And we got a couple other options here. Usually none of these apply. That's making sure that your content's safe for people under the age of 18. And you are pretty much good to go at that point. Once you've made all these changes, you're going to click the Save button in the upper right-hand corner. But before we do that, we can click on the actual image that it shows you of the video and create a thumbnail. Now, they're going to give you 3 options here, 3 potential ones to use, but you can drill into your own photos and actually select a photo if you have previously created a thumbnail. We're going to pretend I did and grab this meme that I did for the We Love RV Camping Facebook group, and I'm just going to kind of crop that in and make it look like we did this for a thumbnail. But you can pre-make your thumbnails in Canva or other tools on your phone, or just use one of the still images that YouTube suggests. Once we're happy with that, then we can click the Save button, and that's going to take care of all that information. Double check everything one last time, make sure that it looks good, and click on Save. Now, for whatever reason, this took a little bit longer to save than is typical, but this just makes sure that everything we've done up to this point is safe and saved and on YouTube. We have not yet published the video. I like to do things in steps like this in case you make any mistakes. You don't want to run into any situation where you lose your work. But now that we have done that, that is saved on your YouTube channel. Whenever you're ready to publish this, you can go in, click on the video, scroll down to that privacy setting where it says unlisted, and actually click public. Now, once you click public and then hit the Save button, then it's going to display on your channel and become available. Notifications are going to go out to whoever has notifications on, and that video is public. Congratulations, you have now uploaded a video successfully to YouTube. And once your video is public, you have the ability to come in here to YouTube Studio, click on that video, and you can actually take a look at the stats and the information related to that. You click on the video, then you click on the Show More option for analytics, and that'll show you the breakdown of who's watching it, how long they're watching it, and all that good stuff. So definitely a helpful tool, and you'll be using it on quite a regular basis once you get in the flow of uploading videos to YouTube. Click on the playlist for more videos to help you simplify YouTube. See you in the next one.